Are you looking to stay updated with your friends' activities on Facebook? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to receive email notifications for updates from friends right on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the notifications menu. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots to access additional options. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Notification Settings page, click on Updates from Friends to open the notification settings for your friends' activities. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Email. Also, make sure to toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook, and there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for updates from your friends on Facebook. Now, you'll never miss out on what your friends are up to. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay connected and receive email notifications for updates from friends on Facebook right from your PC.